We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP M521nw. So first thing, you want to open your tray, and you have these adjustments right here. And make sure this is in the correct size for the type of paper that you're using and that it's locked in place. You also have these little tabs here. This is the max level indicator. You never want to fill too close to that or over that. If you do, it'll be really hard for the printer to pick up the paper and result causing a jam. You also have these guides right here. Just make sure those are in the same spot for the size of paper that you're using as well. Anytime you want to add paper to the tray, you never just want to take your new paper and just stick it in there. A lot of times if you do, it's not aligned. So the best thing to do is to take your old paper, combine it with your new paper. Since we live in Oklahoma, it does get really hot and there's a lot of condensation and humidity in the air sometimes. So I like to fan it out just to make sure the pages don't stick together. Then I line the pages all at the same time and stick them in the printer. This can help eliminate some jams, but if you're consistently seeing jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.